I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop people from downloading your videos on X, formerly Twitter, on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Tap your profile icon on your X home screen and then tap Settings and Privacy. The settings screen opens. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Privacy and Safety. Step 3. Tap Audience and Tagging in the next menu. Associated options are displayed. Step 4. Tap to toggle on Protect Your Videos. Going forward, other X users will no longer be able to download videos that you either post or send to people through direct messages. This change is applied to all videos you share going forward and not to any existing videos you've posted or shared. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.